down.
If you bought or leased a new car during the early 2000s, you could be due hundreds of dollars. Tonight, ABC 15 investigator Joe Ducey tells us about a settlement involving most every car dealer.
This is an interesting class action lawsuit. It claims that most of the major car dealers and the Canadian Automobile Dealer Association kept cheaper cars from being shipped to the U.S.
All consumers allegedly paid more for their cars than they should have.
Scott Hardy is with TopClassActions.com. He says the cars with the higher price tags were bought or leased between January of 2001 and April 30th, 2003. And here's a list of all the car manufacturers that are part of this. As you can see, it involves most of the biggies. The settlement is for $35 million. And while the number of claims dictates what you'll get, Hardy says you need to file a claim.
This could be one of the biggest class action claims of the year for consumers because it's very likely that they'll be able to get hundreds of dollars back.
But you don't have much time. The deadline for filing is February 1st. That's next Tuesday. So if you bought a car during the time in question, go to ABC15.com to the Money tab, and then Consumer Alerts will have a link to their site with all the information you need. And email me with anything you want us to look into. I'm investigator Joe Ducey, ABC 15 News.